This has been a summer like no other for exploring the arts interns in LA and New York. With the uncertainty and challenges of the global pandemic, as well as the important discussions about race and social justice in America, we had a lot on our minds. Interns in both cities got the opportunity to work remotely, building professional skills and expressing themselves creatively.
The summer started in LA at the beginning of July, where rising seniors in ETA's 2-year model continued to work remotely with their internship sites while also completing a series of learning labs where they developed their digital skills. Interns created video self-portraits with Culture Hub, exploring their personal strengths, and mini documentaries with Pasadena Media about their experiences in quarantine or social issues that were important to them.
At the end of July, New York rising seniors began the summer program and were paired with an artistic mentor to focus on creative art making in their chosen art discipline. Throughout the program, interns engaged in weekly professional development workshops to learn how to craft a resume, prepare for online interviews, and create an artistic website. New York City and LA interns also gained insight into the college application and financial aid process through the Opportunity Network. Workshops led by Waterwell, ICP, Society of Illustrators, and Building Beats allowed interns to express themselves creatively and provide outlets for them to connect with their peers and ETA staff.
Interns presented their final projects at a culminating Zoom session to celebrate their hard work and creativity, which included documentaries, dance pieces, visual art, and music. ETA extends thanks to the mentors, professionals, and arts partners who helped to make this most unusual summer a meaningful one. We're so proud to share some of our work this summer with you.